Those have chosen green candle. Let's check out what is coming there for you in June regarding love and career. Both we'll see. First, I'll check out your oracle cards, what is coming up there for you. And second, I'll be checking what's going on with your whole life regarding June. Okay, so let's see what is there for you. Who's coming there for you? I didn't shuffle my cards regarding pile 3, though my previous video got cut, so I am shuffling in front of you right now. But बाकी जो pile थे, I have shuffled it, so we'll be checking out them later. But first check who's coming there for you in June and what's coming there for you in June. For pile 3. So there is the pathway. Okay, right now you are going through a pathway. Basically, आप बहुत journey से गुजर रहे हो. You are going through a lot of journey right now. And secondly, you are like the person you are with, or the person, if you are a single, that person could be also going through a different pathway right now. Right now you don't know that you will be meeting each other by triggering each other. Basically, you will be both will be having a transformation. You both might meet up in your dreams every day, every second. It would be like that. Number 35 pathway. So you could see lots of butterfly, sometime 2 butterfly, sometime 5 butterfly. Okay, and let's see what your oracle says about you. Attraction. So this person also could be at 35 years old, or you could be 35 years old. Okay, and secondly, like you both could be of same age also. Okay, what I'm sensing here. Keep an open mind, forgiving and learning. So most of you are going to pathway over here. Pile 3, those who have chosen green candle, there will be a forgiving and learning. First you have to forgive, you have to release something, you have to heal yourself. Okay, heal your past and learn with it. What have you done, what mistakes have you done in the past? So you have to learn with it, and you have to keep an open mind now who's coming up to you, because there will be attraction first in your love life in the month of June. Okay, and let's see what is there for you. So there is the death, number 35, and death. So most probably you guys will be hitting to a death of the past. You will be leaving your death behind. Okay, death as in your past behind. Okay, it's not particular death of anyone or not you. Okay, so it is like that. So you are going through a big transformation in within a month of June, especially for your love life. Your partner will be also going through a same procedure whenever they meet you, or if you are dealing through to them right now. If you are married, if you are committed, definitely there will be a big transformation, a huge transformation coming up in your relationship. And if you are a single, you are looking for a partner, definitely there will be a death of your past. You will be moving on, and there will be some spiritual awakening coming your way. You will be having some transformation. You could see lots of feather, lots of butterflies, yellow butterfly especially, or a white butterfly, brown butterfly. Let me know on comment box if it is happening with you. Now let's see what your tarot says about you. Angel Spirit, please guide me. What is there for pile 3 in the month of June? What is there for pile 3 in the month of June? What is there for pile 3 in the month of June? What is there for pile 3 in the month of June? Spirits, please guide me. So you are overthinking. Basically, you're still not over with your past. So that's why my cards are also not going down. What is there for pile 3? there is the Hermit, but is coming reverse. So what is there for pile 3? So basically the person you are meeting right now, they were confused basically regarding you, and if you haven't met this person, they were confused regarding themselves. If you are dealing with this person, they are from confused with you and regarding all other options they are getting. They want to go with their mood basically, and for some they are coming out of their hermit mode. Basically they are coming out of their mode. So they will be coming back with a big transformation towards you. For others, your ex can come back with a big transformation. Just like pile 2, there was same thing. So I'll suggest if you are in a pile 3, do watch pile 2. कहीं ना कहीं आपसे resonate हो जाएगा. It can resonate with you because there is some similarities in these two piles. What is there for pile 3? Four of Swords. So you are feeling basically trapped right now. Why your person is putting you in a hermit mode, why they are not moving forward. Basically this person has full of ego right now, full of self obsession, that they think that they are only much better from you, they could get more options. So this person is taking time and they want to be in their ego basically. Basically the ego is coming between you two. What is there for pile 3 in the month of June? What is there for pile 3 in the month of June? Strength. So universe is saying you to stay strong because you're not acting strongly from inside nor from outside. You have to guard yourself also because you're feeling already trapped with Four of Wands. You're not able to get out. Like there are many people around you, they are saying you so many things and you are like feeling trapped. So you don't have to feel trapped, just look for your options beyond. If you're going on ego hassles, feeling like stubborn, don't do that. Just listen to your inner voice and choose your options. Okay, there is no harm in choosing options pile 3. Okay, so there is Three of Swords reverse. So basically there is third party for most of you are dealing with, and you are feeling very much heartbroken regarding your past. This person has always kept you in a hermit mode, always kept you in hanging. Okay, they always kept you in hanging mode. Okay, means they don't receive your phone call at time, they don't want to talk to you, they are coming back and going back and coming back and going back, and they are cheating you at backside. Okay, they can cheat you basically. So this person could be a fire sign for most of you, and most of you, I am sensing this person could be a Libra, Gemini, Aquarius. Okay, and end of the deck is the Devil. So you were basically in a darkness, pile 3, and secondly you were in a big addictions with this person. So universe is saying you stay strong and keep your options open, because if you are bringing your pride in your career or love, don't bring that, because there is more for you. You have to stay strong. You are like a lion or lioness basically, and there will be, everything will be all right. Basically you will be getting out of the darkness, pile 3. So this was my reading for pile 3. Hope my reading resonated with you. Let me know on comment box, and don't forget to subscribe and hit bell button icon. Bye bye and take care. Mwah.